Hello and welcome to another yeymaps video. Today I want to show you the Layer Spy tool. The Layer Spy tool is one of the tools that you can incorporate in one of your projects / map and make it available to all the users that are working with that map. First of all, in order to have it available in the map, you have to go into the project settings as a client administrator or project administrator. You will see all the tool settings here, and you have to make sure that your Layer Spy tool is actually activated. Only then you can use it in the map. Okay, we see it's activated. It's there. Let's jump back to the map. And the Layer Spy tool is right here. That's the one that's half dark, half white. If you click on it and move to the map, it immediately lets you peek through the OpenStreetMap data right onto the Bing Maps aerial data. If you have Bing Maps aerial with your yeymaps, then you would be able to look through. You can play a little with the size of your circle that allows you to peek through. Now that's a pretty good thing, because the alternative would be, what does the aerial look like underneath? And you would just go and switch to Bing Aerial. Okay, that's it, and then you got to go and switch back. So that's more of a hassle, and with the Layer Spy, you just peek through. Okay, even you can zoom in, zoom out. Your circle stays the same size. Pretty nice. Now, not only can you use it with OpenStreetMap to look through, but let's say you have an aerial that's not Bing Maps, and it has, this one has a winter data, so it's flown in the winter time. I can peek through the Bing Maps. Obviously, it's a summer recording, so actually can look how it looks in winter, how it looks in summer. That's pretty neat. The Layer Spy, a nice tool for everybody to work within yeymaps. Thanks for listening, and have a good day. Thank you.